Jackfruit tree down. Yeah, look at that. It's a jackfruit tree down right about now. Yeah, so it's a beautiful morning. Today is October 29th. Yes, and up on live this morning. I'm going to check on our pipeline to see what's going on with it, because you know we want water in the pipe as soon as possible. So Philippa go check on the pipe in the morning, yeah, and thing. Yeah, so it's a beautiful morning. Give thanks for life, health and strength, long life and prosperity. Yeah, man. So give thanks again. Alright, right now, look at this fruit. Found it on the way. I'm not even sure if it's a fruit, but it should be a fruit. But maybe not one to eat. I don't know what this is. Anyone can comment and tell me what this is. Alright, so I'll break it and see what's inside. The one here burst. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what this thing is, my people. Somebody can comment and tell me what this fruit is. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. What is this? Alright, so may I keep it and ask somebody. Alright, so Dr. Limbs. Yeah, come down the road there. Tree break down the road. See me right there, so can hear the birds chirping. They're happy. So see a lot of trees in the walkway, limbs also break down. Still on her journey. See what's going on with our pipe. You know, the hillside. Looking good so far. I just want to reach over by the catchment also to see.
Over there so bad. The night time say bamboo go carry down the pipe go across the water.
Oh.
Yeah, because the breeze look over there so hard.
I could go over there and see still what took place, cause no must happen still. And so I'm going to look at hilly track here. The road not there, sir.
No, yeah. Come down here, boy. This can come down.
So I'm going to see. Yes, sir. You used to come here to a spring?
Yeah.
How them call a spring here? Doctor Spring?
Yeah, you ever get up there? You're too young to hear that one there.
Never hear that one there. Boy, yes, a 10 for dry nowadays. Go down low.
Yeah. You don't know, maybe 2 hours walk all the place, yeah?
Yeah. This spring here. A piece of apple tree limb never know a line there, so.
Right. Yeah, man, what's up here now?
I chop it off now. See? I'm not sure what kind of tree that. You wait down pan up there, so. Right now, Philip, we'll cut one bamboo. See if we can try push off the piece of limb off of the tree, off of the pipe. So that's how I'm going right now. So I'll get that try now. So I'll get that try now. Come show you bamboo stick and see what I got. See the damage there? Flip a try and I want to see. People try something different, man. Chop off this island. Supposed to get it a little bit easier now. At least now you can try use the bamboo and juke it off. Push it off. I chop off some more of them. Me also take time. Good. See him come down there.
Don't they have a try countries, right?
Yeah, we try different ways. I see you just slide come right down. Hold on there. In a strap, it's strap on that tree there.
Yeah.
See it now? Philip get him off. Made have to give him my help, so that go on. So him get it off now. We are continue on the journey now. Let's say get him off. Yeah. And Philip, you know? That I say why you boss. If only in I continue our journey. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you don't like the videos yet, please give the video a like. Yeah, so still there upon the journey. But over there, so we are going up, people. Over there, so we are go. I hear the river rush down. Can't really see it on the camera. The process the pipe down there, so the line. Are you see you walk? Oh, I don't know. Alright, I'm sure now if you can't see the water. Hold on, let me see when I see it. You can't see it. Let's see there, but I'll go check. Go through. Banana tree come down in the way or so. Banana tree. All down. So get in there, get in there. Getting closer. See? Lot of banana trees down. Banana and plantain.
No, what kind of donkey because you want to?
Donkey?
Donkey in the kitchen.
Sure. So I scratch your foot, you know. Donkey, one time me eat one of them and my mom scratch me. She come here and say, you need a donkey and me think a cane you can't eat. When you have it, you don't know what going on. Don't really look far away when you do up there, so. But I get there actually. My first official time coming this far over to where the water is, and you know, so to me not that far as to me think it was. Not far. Not far at all. Big tree down. This donkey peepee. Big donkey peepee tree. Tear down. I think I mash up the farm, you know? Mash up the farm. I don't know what kind of tree this.
You know that here?
Remember what kind of tree, you know? You know it?
Oh. I think I name. It resemble name.
Oh.
But look like our hood. When them flowers is still on there.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm just smelling like you know, smell name.
It's a pipe here, go. The pipe,
It's still intact.
the pipe still intact. I'm not sure if I'm going to look it over, so you still, I think I have to walk now. I know you have to highway if you go over there. Oh.
Go back and go through over there.
Oh, come here, say how you go.
You can see the bamboo there, so.
The pipe pop out down there, so. Let's see if we go down there and go now closer look. But the water look good though. So far we realize pipe pop out cross water there, so that is our next little spring down there. I'm going to go cross it and think to go over to our catchment. So let's go and stay locked in and clocked in. Remember, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, man. So I'll just give you guys an update of what's going on with our pipe, and we're going to be fixing it up and stuff. What we're doing now is our assessment, just like how JPS go around and do them assessment. This is what we're doing now. So we're doing our assessment so we can come back and fix. Alright, so we're going on my paper. Bamboo them block up the way. I go on olive oil to get closer to the catchment to assess it. So that's how I go on. So we have to go in our journey right here. Alright, so we are go home now because we can't go make it over there. Bamboo them block up the way. Yeah. Now what this is a little fruit from the Cersei. Yeah. Know that little fruit? Little fruit from the Cersei tree. Normally have a sweet taste, but it have a bitter taste. It's a bitter, like Cersei. See like how you know, see them banana, them bamboo tree there, twist up on, so I see them, yeah, so then twist up on all sort of way. In the way if you go over which part the catchment. So we're making our way home. And so wash my face, water in the hills. Yeah, that is it.